Probe CX is one of the largest Australian-owned contact services provider. We have some 18,000 people across 5 different countries, and we service them out of 32 different locations. The challenges that we had with the previous models were that we had lots of different entities with lots of different tools, lots of different VPNs, and the way we really managed policy was down to a site level. Zero Trust actually gave us the ability to actually bring that down to a client level and segregate every single customer that we have within the environment. When we did the business case for Zero Trust, our initial thought was that we would be 30% higher in terms of cost. But one of the key things we've realized through the benefits, the inherent benefits that have come through, we're actually a lot cheaper in terms of cost by putting Zero Trust into the environment. We've got to be able to make sure that we keep pace in terms of the change and architecture and the posture of our organization. So the hybrid workforce is one key factor that has arisen, but recent acquisitions have also meant we've got various different applications within the environment that we need to take care of, and Zero Trust has enabled us to provide a consistent platform across various application users and entities. In 2016, for the first time when we got those applications in, we decided to put ZIA. So we've actually been a consumer of ZIA for a very, very long time. However, recently with the rise of the hybrid workforce and the enterprise changes and the expansion of the organizations along with M&A, we've decided to venture more into ZPA. The integrations that we have within the enterprise architecture today are comprised of VeloCloud as our SD-WAN solution. We use Okta for single sign-on and multi-factor authentication today, and we also use that for lifecycle management. And we use ZIA and ZPA as a web proxy and the protection that we use for all of the outgoing traffic within the environment. We also have integration into Rapid7, which is a SIEM solution to make sure that we manage alerting and monitoring that comes through Zscaler as well. The main use cases that we've got within Zscaler is the ability for us to merge brand new entities within the business through M&A. It's also helped us get competitive advantage over some of the competition because it's better posture. And the security posture for us is actually better off, not just for hybrid workers at home, but also people within the office. Some of the key benefits we've realized through implementing this technology now has been that we've been able to get rid of 100% of those VPNs within the environment. We've also had significant simplification in terms of policies and rules within the business. And the time that our users actually take to log on to systems that are working from home in terms of productivity is heaps faster than it's ever been before. If we look at the stats over the last 3 months in terms of what's been processed by Zscaler, we've had about 8.1 billion transactions processed, about 285 terabytes of data or bandwidth that's actually been processed, 3.1 million threats that have been avoided, and 95% of the traffic within the business is actually encrypted today.